How can you use your power of your subconscious mind? Yes, my dear friends, I want to tell you that today you have the power, and your subconscious mind has the power to get what you want in your life. Regarding English, regarding life situations, economically, socially, spiritually, whatever do you want in your life, you can get it by using your subconscious, by using your power of your subconscious mind. So, are you ready? And make sure to subscribe to my channel first, because this is my commitment. I want to lakh subscribers in 1 month. This is my commitment, and you have to complete that commitment by yourself. So, moving to deeply into the understanding the law of our subconscious mind and how it works, and how can we get result what we want in our life. Regarding English, because this is the platform for English speaking, and I can give guarantee you can be fluent in English. I don't say like that I can fluent in English, but if you have the, if you have desire, that kind of desire if you have, you can get it. If you know how to get it, you can get it. But firstly, we have to know the answer, because, and I'm reading right now one book that title is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, and I um, realized that we also use that power of your subconscious mind to speaking in English. How to thinking in English? It is very difficult to think in English, firstly, because we are habitual of, we are habit in the thinking of our mother languages, and to get result by thinking in our mother languages, but it is very difficult to think in English, firstly. But try to speak in English, because whenever the mind talking in your mother language, try to translate in English first, and there are some phrases to help you to get answer what you want, and that kind of practice will make you fluently fluent fluency. So the, I want to tell from that video is that thinking, how to think in English. Be present, be the present in that present moment, and observe your mind, how your mind is thinking, how thoughts come into your mind, how in your mother tongue thoughts come into your mind, and to look at first, observe the meaning of that thoughts, and then try to translate in English. So doing that things day by day, then your subconscious mind accept the your conscious thoughts, and when the subconscious mind accept once any thoughts, it is execute. Because firstly, understand the subconscious mind. What is the subconscious mind? We all have a mind, and there are two levels. One is subconscious mind, and second is conscious mind. Now you are listening to me and watching to me by consciously, but when you are driving your bicycle, or when you are doing driving your car, firstly, that time you also was driving consciously, but now you practiced a very lot how to drive a car, and then you will be able to drive very softly, very comfortably, and you are using mobile with while driving your car, because now driving action is going to the your subconscious mind, and it's take habitual thing in your life, because you don't need to look the front, and how to I how to brake, and how to change the gears, all that things you don't need to look the gears, because you are that is became your habitual thing. You can just without looking at gears, you can change the gears. Why? Because you did this practice every single day, and now it's become your habitual things. Like that, using the thinking in English, and it will become a habit of subconscious mind to think in English. How to use power of your subconscious mind? When you are going to sleep, then you can say to yourself, I am improving my English language, my English is good, my vocabulary is increasing. Because when you say, the subconscious mind accept, and subconscious mind will act on your idea, and it will be true. So period to sleep, lullaby just yourself to, I am improving my English, my English is great, I am thinking in English. Like that statement you have to give your subconscious mind, and subconscious mind bring it into reality. So it will be great, and this is a very big success for you to speak in English. So this is my point, and hit the like button. And if you have any queries, try to interact with me, try to comment me on Instagram or YouTube also. I will respond you very nicely, clearly. And you are great, you are brilliant, you can speak in English. Just believe in yourself. So till then, take care, don't forget to smile. Bye.